All right, we've been doing great coding so far. Now we're going to make this game functional, actually work. Okay, so let's move this down and go right here. We're going to create our last function. Step 6 is going to be a function to handle the game logic. Yeah, when a letter is clicked. Okay, like for it to actually work. So we're going to start off by creating const, and then like initialize game, and let's go equals, and we're going to run 2 parameters in this function. That is good because you need that in an AP for the AP project. Clicked letter. So button and click the letter, and then equals and curly brace that. All right, so inside our function, the first thing that we're going to do is add some selection, checking if the clicked letter is in the current word. If it's in current word. All right, the way we're going to do that is put if, and here we can go ahead and tap down to give the information. The condition is going to be current word dot includes clicked letter. So we're checking if current word includes clicked letter. And the way we're going to figure that out, first we need this. It will update the displayed letters if clicked is correct. All right, so we're going to go boom, 1, 2, 3, current word. Put a dot right there. Here's a loop for it to continually update. We're going to loop letter and index. And then in between those parentheses, we got equals in that, and then curly braces, enter. Very good. Over here, make sure to put semicolon. Then let's go back in here. And then again, some selection is going to be, or conditional code is going to be if letter equals clicked letter. Then what we want is for correct letters to push, which is this is entering it, push letter, and now on display we want word display dot query selector all though this time. Li index dot inner HTML text letter. Sweet. Sorry, this right here should actually close right here. Good. And then after letter, here, semicolon. And also word display dot query selector all li index and then class list. Good. All right. Doing good. And remember to put semicolon there. Okay, so we got that. We got our first condition here. If this is true, this will be met. This is, updating displayed letters if it is correct. And then now we need to do an else in case it's incorrect. So we're going to go else this is going to update wrong guess count and Hangman image if letter guessed is incorrect. Okay? So now we're going to do wrong guess count. And we're going to add one to it. And also now updating the Hangman image dot src equals backticks image / Hangman wrong guess count, whichever number it's at. So if it's 1, 2, or 3, or 4, 5, or 6, which would be the full Hangman, it's updating it SVG. And that works because how we have our images labeled, see, this will be a 1 guess count wrong, 2 guess count wrong, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 for the final. So Hangman, and then filling it in, checking the guess count. Sick, awesome. Okay, keep that. And then under this, we need to disable the clicked button so it can't be clicked again. Like if you picked L, you're not going to guess L again. So it's going to cancel it out. So we'll go button dot disabled equal true. And then this next one will update the displayed guess count. And we're going to do guess text inner text equals, remember that's the backtick just beside number 1, quotations, curly brace, wrong guess count, max guesses, semicolon. Okay. These are the commands that we're putting. So we got selection here. We have a loop right here. Boom, boom. And here are some commands that we need. And then the last commands, or last conditions we want to check for is check if the game should end based on win or lose conditions. So we're going to go if word wrong guess count equals max guesses, then we're going to return our game over function that we created. Okay. Boom, boom. We don't need these curly braces for this. Just semicolon. And then last condition is going to be if correct letter dot length equals current word length, then we're going to return game over true. So false is the loss, game over true is for the winners. Awesome. Okay, so let's test this out. First, go ahead and save. Let me see if I can make it a little smaller so you can see it all. Good, so I saved it. Okay, save. Now let's check. I'm just gonna, well, that did work, awesome. So, hold on. I see the error. I'm glad. I want us all to see it. So I'm not even gonna edit this one out. See, I got image where I'm changing what the image should be. As you notice, here the image is correct. Now as I start picking things, the image is incorrect. Good, reason why right here. My folder is called images. I have image right here. Yes, save. Okay, now we should be good. Boom. That's the second image, 2 errors wrong. Good job, Blaine. I'm glad that you noticed that. Okay, so let's see if it's working. Boom, and it's working. Meaning that shows that it is wrong and messed up. Our play again function isn't working, which we didn't call yet. What we need to do to make that play again function work is we need to initialize it. So right here, this will add event listener for the play again button. And that's just play again, btn dot add event listener. And so when clicked, we're going to run, meaning refresh, get word, get random word, right from the start, which will refresh it. All right, so a light, happy laugh. What is that? Giggle? Nope. Giggle. Oh, giggle starts with G. Giggle. Boom. Skills. I got it. Congrats. So now our win function works, and then play again. Does our play again work? Let me just go check it. Clicked. Ah, not clicked. Click. Save. All right, so to embrace, well, we saw that the getting it correct works. Now let's see, let's just get this wrong. Boom, game over. It was a snuggle. Does the play again work? Skills, and then we're refreshed. Perfect, perfect. Good, good. We learn from our mistakes. We get better at debugging. Very good. So now, awesome. Be proud of yourself. You made the Hangman game app. Let me scroll through the code just in case you're wondering if you missed something. Check it out, check it out. Awesome, awesome. So good, flow through it, customize it yourself. But yeah, you created the game. Great job.